Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Audi S3 with a Starline i96. Lovely bit of kit. Just going to show you quickly how it works. Just a basic form, just disarm. So basically every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, if someone was to grab this key, clone it or do whatever they need to do, override it, put my foot on the brake, try and start it. There you go, vehicle notes won't start. So every time the customer jumps in, ignition on, go through his basic push sequence. On here we've done something simple, so 1, 2, 3, receive a melody, there you go, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. If the customer wants to change the code, this is also straightforward. So basically ignition on, disarm the system. Obviously it disarmed automatically, it was less than 10 seconds. Then what you do is you hit this button 5 times, or any buttons on the network. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, key back on, you get 5 bleeps. You're now in learn mode, so we're going to change it to this one here. So if the button's on the network, every time you tap it, it will actually give you a bleep. So 1, 2, 3, wait for confirmation. Again, 1, 2, 3, confirmation again. First sequence is the same as the second. If it's different, it'll give you a grunt. There you go, done it incorrectly. So let's start again. So ignition on. Obviously system disarm less than 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off. Key back on. 5 bleeps. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Wait for the melody. Again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same melody. There you go, that code is now learned. So if we leave it about 10 seconds and then we try it again. So ignition on, new code, receive your melody, there you go, start your vehicle. If you want to put this into valet mode, this is also very simple. You can see in our other videos, but basically ignition on, disarm code melody, then hit one of these buttons 11 times. Ignition off, ignition on, get 2 bleeps, that's in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, ignition on, put your code in, you get 2 bleeps, jumps out of valet mode. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you, bye bye.